Welcome to the Sikidang crater, located in the heart of the Daeng Plateau in central Java, Indonesia, is a remarkable geothermal attraction that showcases the raw power of volcanic activity. Surrounded by misty highlands and lush green landscapes, the crater stands in stark contrast to its barren, rocky terrain, where boiling mud pools and thick sulfuric steam rise continuously from the earth. Unlike most volcanic craters that remain fixed in one spot, Sikidang is known for its shifting fumaroles, moving unpredictably within the area, earning it the Javanese name Sikidang, meaning tear, due to its restless nature. As visitors approach the crater, the scent of sulfur becomes prominent, carried by the swirling steam that escapes from deep within the ground. The bubbling mud pools churn furiously, creating an airy yet fascinating sight that feels almost otherworldly. The high temperatures in the crater allow locals to engage in small-scale sulfur mining, extracting valuable mineral deposits from the surrounding area. Another unique experience for tourists is the simple yet entertaining tradition of boiling eggs in the crater's geothermal waters, which cook in just a few minutes due to the intense heat. Beyond the crater itself, Daeng Plateau is home to a wealth of attractions that add to the region's mystical charm. The Arjuna Temple Complex, one of Indonesia's oldest Hindu temple sites, stands as a silent witness to ancient history. Nearby, Telgavarna, or the colorful lake, mesmerizes visitors with its shifting hues caused by volcanic minerals interacting with sunlight. Batu Pandang Ratapan Angin, a scenic viewpoint overlooking Daeng's rolling hills, offers breathtaking panoramas that make the journey even more worthwhile. Visiting Sikidang crater requires preparation to ensure a comfortable experience. The sulfuric fumes can be quite strong, so travelers are advised to bring masks or scarves to minimize exposure. The cool, high-altitude weather of Daeng Plateau contrasts with the warmth of the crater, making layered clothing a practical choice. The crater's striking landscapes provide excellent photo opportunities, and travelers are encouraged to check the weather beforehand, as fog and rain can sometimes obscure visibility. Sikidang crater is more than just a geological wonder, it is a living testament to the dynamic forces shaping our planet. Whether drawn by its scientific significance, legendary folklore, or sheer visual spectacle, visitors leave with a deeper appreciation for the extraordinary interplay between nature and history. For those seeking an adventure that blends mystery, beauty, and the untamed pulse of the earth, Sikidang crater stands as an unforgettable destination in the heart of central Java. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our content, show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting updates.